Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel. I'm Jesse with Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and today I went ahead and already switched the tires on the KTM. I've got a dirt bike or adventure bike training course, but I noticed last time I used my trailer, I went to go bring some axles back and it bent the trailer. So we're going to go ahead and try and straighten out the trailer. It's just a cheap little motorcycle trailer I picked up years ago, and it's made cheaply, so I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright guys, so to show you what happened is the trailer bent right here. And then it like has kind of a kick upwards now. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but yeah, see how the tongue is like bent that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this around here somewhere and then try and pull it back down, flatten this all out, which you can see it bent pretty bad, like all the paint's chipped off of it and everything. And then I've got some metal and I'm going to try and gusset it. Yeah, I hopped on this thing and it's just not stable anymore, so I don't quite trust it. Okay, so since I have pounded this back out flat, which you can see, let's see here. So this was like rounded out. I pounded it back flat. And if you compare it to the other video clip, this gap has opened up quite a bit. I think I'm going to also, I'm going to cut here. I may cut here as well to bring it down one more. I'm actually think I'm going to do it first here. But yeah, that's the plan going now. Alright guys, I got the Sefaspe Welder out. It's just a little flux core. I've done a video, I can link it right here. We got it set to 74. We're going to bump it up just a little bit. We'll see how it does. Alright guys, I cut some coupons and we're going to weld them in here. Just like that. Alright guys, let's weld this. We're going to weld this up and then plate it and then weld the top. I'm going to go grab a flat wheel and sand this down. Alright guys, we're running out of light and I don't want to pull my giant light setup out, so let's try and finish this up. I still cannot believe how well this welder welds. Alright guys, and it's now time to just paint it up. We'll test it out, make sure it's alright. I'm going to jump on the trailer, hopefully it doesn't collapse on me. I mean, it hasn't broken yet. I'm 250 pounds. I'm actually 240 now. But, I don't think it's going to get much more abusive than that. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment your thoughts below, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Bye.